cool. Good morning to everyone. This experiment is related to controlling the actuator connected to the breadboard using Node MCU as a web server. As you can see that we have connected the sensor to the power supply to the COM4 of the CPU, and the connections are made as per the circuits guided by the sir, and the code is written and compiled and dumped into the sensor, and as we run the code, and the uploading is under progress. The uploading of the code is done, and now it's time to connect our mobile to the sensor, and the device name and our device name is ESP14552D, and it is connected. And now opening the serial monitor. So this is the connected IP address, this is the MAC address, and when we connect, as this is connected, if we go to the Chrome browser and control this, the LED will be on and offing. Thank you.